Okay, what's up, fam? Coming in live, already in a trade, and it is currently fighting back against me. I'm in S&P, right off this 30-minute engulf, and I was in profit pretty much the whole first 15 minutes of the 8 a.m. And now I am just now coming into drawdown. My entries are a little bit lagged as well, meaning they're behind. But heck, I'm still into the trade. I'm still in profit, and this is where I need to work on, maintaining my time for, remaining in the position. What is going on here? What is this? My magic keys is malfunctioning on me. What is this? The partial? That is the partial. What happened to it? See that I messed up. Let me put it back. So I'm going to be taking a partial, closing 25% out when price gets to my 1-to-1, and I have the rest of my targets going down for the 2-to-1 based off the engulfing of my 30-minute entry. And yeah, so this is just currently what I'm in on S&P. And we're going to continue to look at what the other markets are presenting to us right now, as well as you can see the DXY. Right, we're still in some type of consolidated block, some type of range, whatever you want to call it. If I go to the daily time frame, we have yet to break out of this downward angled trend that we're starting to angle out towards. As you can see, once we made this second high right here, prices rejected every time it's gotten up to a high. My energy is a little bit distracted right now. Let's do this later. Let's focus on our trade that we're active in right now, because I do not want to go in a drawdown right now. So as we see, right, anyways, the dollar is showing an incremental push up because the XXX USD pairs are showing incentive to go lower, right? And that's why I'm shorting S&P. But right, we must wait for signals and wait for the activation to actually get in. As I go down to the 4 hour to find like our intraday position, right, I usually wait for the 9 a.m. Hour to trade, using that as my edge to gain the volume behind it. We can use 8 a.m. as a kind of a prep to push to get in for 9. Right now, as you can see, the 8 a.m. candle is where my entries were started. We had a push up for the first 5 minutes, and then the next 10 minutes price pushed down, and then now we're in the next 15-minute candle, which is in the first 2 minutes, and it's 8:17, and we're now having some pullbacks. I'm still gonna remain in the trade because I like the structure, I like the way it's heading, and it gave the signal. Until I have anything otherwise, I'm gonna stay in the trade. So now I'm gonna bring on the EMAs now. I'm gonna actually go back to the hourly time frame and look at our dashed lines. Those represent the high and low of the Asian session, pretty much the high and low of the nightly move. And as we begin to have this move right here, pullback, I'm going to close out half of my positions. Just pretty much saying that I don't want to continue to stay into the position while it's in drawdown. Right? I'm not okay with that at all. I'm actually going to remove my lower position right here. That's in drawdown already. I'm actually going to, let's see, before I just start closing positions, because I have a tendency to do that, let's actually make sure that we have a valid exit signal, actually a valid reason to exit. I close half my entries because, the fact that I'm going to drawdown, I don't want to just continue to sit after I dump it up. But what I mean by exit signal, right? Something signaling me on another time frame that says, hey, you probably should be more aware of this. As I go ahead and break this down, once again, like I said, we identified this 30-minute sell hill, right? And now we're beginning to see buyers pick up on the 5-minute time frame, and as well the 15-minute. The 30-minute is still bearish, right? Our 30-minute entry is still bearish. But we're running into what looks to be some demand. The price is not wanting to go. Sure, when I move my exit signal, I usually like to wait until price crosses at least like the 13 EMA, which is that red line, or the 20 EMA. So even though it hasn't done neither one of those, it is still pulling back. So I'm gonna just observe and watch it here. I kind of go look at some of the markets. Let's actually go back here. So I see the dollar losing strength. We're crossing the threshold, the daily open threshold. NASDAQ crossing back up his daily threshold. Pound gaining strength. Strange reason. Yeah, we're having some rejections back down. So as I see these candles look so small as I zoom out, well, now we're having a reaction back down. It's unfortunate because I closed half my positions too. So I'm really looking for a clean opportunity to either exit or re-enter again. And right now, that 1 minute, it's making me look like I want to exit. This is giving engulf vibes. Let's see, because the dollar does not look like it's going to continue to hold here for this hour. I'm pretty much using this 8 a.m. candle, right, to prep me for what's to happen in the next 4-hour block. Price doesn't want to close below the Asian low. It's holding this 38.75 level. 38.75 is either going to be my entry or exit. So if we get a 5-minute closure back above 38.75, which I believe, which is what this was right here, but we're not rejecting back below that. So if we get a continuation back above that, I'll remove my positions because it looks like NASDAQ is gaining its strength back. German 30. Let's ignore pound for a sec. Let's bring on tech. US 30. Yeah, I'm about to have to remove my positions. It's looking like it's going to reject. It's tragic. I didn't even set it up. Let's set it up real quick on the S&P. Alright, let's take this 30-minute engulf, right? Okay, that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. If I could, I can actually even do this. Where's not MT5? Let's bring up MT4. Oh, wait, the whole screen has to be up for me to do it that way. Okay, no worries. No worries at all. That I can do. Okay, they'll call it out another idea. zoom in here, because I know it can look rough. Like, what are you looking at, guy? What is those? Something on AU. Just looking at that buy on AU, I believe. I am not focused right now. My thoughts are lacking to stay focused. Not liking the way this is looking on S&P. I'm finna remove my position. Trying to make sure because this is actually looking very nice in terms of tech rejecting that halfway point of the Asian session. What I got on the screen? Let's see. This actually might be good. I might hold that S&P position because tech looks nice. Though I was trying to take a buy. I'm not trying to take that. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want the DXY to go down. I need it to hold. I need that to hold right in here. Yeah, buddy. I need you to hold. I need you to hold. Get strength, and that's gonna cause the S&P to lose strength. This is pretty much gonna be my only trade of the day. If it goes down bad, it's gonna close out around 1%. I'm already down percent. Be down 2% for the day. I'll close out. I tried to take some London trades last night that were not going well. They're taking 3 different trade setups, all low, right? Risk point 25%. I won't kind of go into that. I'll kind of keep my intentions of mind focused on the task at hand and seeing what I could do to focus on the task at hand, because it looks like can't tell if this is going to be sneaky or if it's getting rejected. I don't want to say it's getting rejected. See how German 30, right? This right here, this whole area here. Why are my drawings not syncing? That's annoying. Can I not like change that? Turned off. Okay. Come back to me, S&P. Come back to me. I actually meant to go ahead and open up a calc because I'm going to be adding another position, I'm pretty sure. Let's stack these correctly. This is like an ugly MES on the 1 minute. It is shifting out and down on the 5. On the. All right, so let's go back, pull up the S&P. Times this 30-minute candle is about to close beneath the aqua, giving more power to the continuation of the downtrend. I need to either enter in here, set a limit order at the actual open. Here, let's do this. Like a market pending, right? I got it. I wanted to add 0.5% back in this. Alright, what's the timing? 0.68. trade. So I got down there, I got 0.6 right here. Bearish close. Let's bring up all the charts. This is the level we're watching for. The 37.84. Trying to make sure I be patient here. Especially when the dollar wants to do last minute moves like that. So you're trying to be sneaky. Boom. Cross down. It may just end up this weekly open may hold. Gotta be patient here. I have to be very patient. Let the market tell you what it's gonna do. Alright, there's a 30-minute close on EU, right? Here's ours on S&P that we took. There's that closure beneath the aqua that I was looking for. There's the move lower I'm looking for as well. So I'm gonna let, this is so interesting. If anything, it's gonna be rejecting off of the 20 and bouncing up for, or it's gonna go through. I don't see it going through the 20 though. Not with the bears being, I don't know. Tell you what, I don't like the way that is looking. It's just gaining strength on the S&P. My instincts are telling me to close all of my position, just because of the way this is decreasing right now. I feel like I can get a better position than where the S&P is right now. I feel like it's gonna pull back higher. I don't think it's just gonna close down right now, and I'm at negative 173. I'm already down. I'm gonna make an executive decision, and I'm gonna go ahead and close everything out. 225, putting me at down 1%, 1.28% for the day. All right, I risked 1.28 out of my 2.5, so I have a little bit over 1% left. 7 trade ideas. All right. So what I'm pretty much looking for is, if I'm going to continue to look for bearish ideas, and I'm going to be pretty much trying to sell S&P at this 50%. So I'm looking for it to come to and respect the high of 37.95. You're still trying to take it at 37.75, essentially. Giving me a down around a 4 to 1. That's what I'm looking for. Even though it does look like it's going lower, and I remove myself from the position. I remove myself from the position on purpose. Because I think that it's going to gain strength here. And that's so unfortunate as I see it not doing that. So let me just be aware and continue to watch. I'm interested to see what Doyle is looking at right here. Candle broke. I might take that. Ooh, I like the way it looks on the hourly, actually. But it's gotta finish pushing. about this one. I can't even lie. Be below the aqua, which is here. SLA is only 4 pips. I need to quit hesitating. If I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna take it. Looking for signals though. The signal is EU dropping and the dollar dropping. I'm gonna take it. Oh, some got rejected. That may have been a sign. Is the dollar really gonna drop here? You see how it's hugging this on a 30 minute? That's what I don't like. Trying to look at my breakdown line, which it did. I took it. Got in extremely late. Got in 3 pips late. But also raised my SL 1.5 pip. So I'm pretty much giving up a point-ish. So the dollar is losing strength on us, which is giving us value in the direction that we want. There goes TUE. I'm gonna pull up AUD USD right here in the bottom right. And let's actually pull up the trade idea, right? We were looking at price to respect the demand, getting in on the break of the rejection candle, risking 4 pips. 1 to 1. It technically hit it. That's tough. That's tough. That's it though. That's all it's gonna do. Go back, at least complete it. I'm gonna need this thing to finish this pulse. Let's see, let me do some side examination. It's hesitating. Why are you hesitating? Wow. That's crazy. That is crazy, yo. Wow. I'm astonished. I'm astonished. I'm astonished as heck right now. This is why you don't get in late, folks. Wow. Look at what it's doing. Wow. That's baffling. Bro, what? It's about to come in and stop me out. That's crazy, yo. Wow. Did y'all just see that, yo? That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, this is an ugly ass setup anyways, but oh my god. That hurts. That's tough. Cause now that does not put me in good standings with my account. That's tough. Pretty much down by 2.5. That's tough. Gotta end the trading day now. I'm trying to debate if this is really what I want to do. If this is a setup that I want to take again to put my money back into, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't think it is. It's not. We're just gonna let this ride. I am aware. I do see the dollar losing strength though. Right? Opening is at 112. We're at 111.90 right now. Consolidated. Right here above, so it's giving indication like it wants to go higher. Oh, that's okay. It's not gonna do it like I thought it was. Okay. Still watching S&P go for that 7 points. 7 to 10 points, actually. I'm not in the move anymore. I'm not in anything, actually. Observing. 8:45. Last 15-minute candle. And this 8 hour, which is the last in the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is bearish. This 4 hour is bearish. This is bearish. I'm getting nothing but bearish vibes. Even though this is telling me there's buyers right here in tech, I'm still getting bearish vibes. trying to go for it again. I'm like, do I take it? After what it just did to me, I'm going to do it to myself again? That's what I want to do? Nah, right? Yeah, I'm gonna hold on AE. It is what it is on that one. I'm just out of that. It's crazy because it's gonna do the move too. Then you just hit it as 1-to-1 off the read. Okay, so the dollar did weaken. This is replaying out. This is respecting. Played the 1-to-1. This is so ugly, bro. That being your entry counter right here. I'm not gonna lie. It's not the ugliest. It doesn't look that bad actually, but this candle right here, that previous candle was just like oof. Let's get it easily with the other way. Still can. What I'm noticing is price is respecting this level right here for the entry for this engulfing, as well as these two back-to-back bearish candles. Tech on the 30-minute time frame. These are rejecting the trend. It rejected it here. It's kind of got rid. It's like boom. Took an L on AU as well because I first of all chased it and then I did a manual exit early. Exit entry early. I first of all entered into the trade late. So if this is where your entry was right here, meaning price went up and then came back to you and your time to get in was here. I got in late right here, right? Price went up and then, you know what I'm saying, drop back down. When it dropped back down, I had my stop loss right here at that previous low. And that's what it did. It respected the lows and then shot up. Should have had a limit order placed right in here. You know what I'm saying, with my stop. Well, no, I did. My stop was right. So I don't know. You know what I'm saying? We'll let it go. I explained it. S&P not pulling back. we're seeing that the 8 a.m. is not going to be bearish. Obviously, looks like it wants to be bullish. Turning this 30-minute candle back bullish. I'm interested to kind of take this as a demand buy up. If it's going to reject that level and close. Half of me wants to buy that. Pound getting string. Respect. Oh, missed that. That's actually going to be nice. I missed that. So let's do this. What, looking for pound yen? That goes bearish. I'm definitely taking that as well. Because like I said, that lines up with this 30-minute that I was observing. If that pretty much breaks this low. Right here, we can break the lows right here. The low of these buyers that were right there. Respect. Okay, so we are 10 minutes into the New York Stock Exchange Open. It's currently 9:41. I haven't really had any opportunities to take any trades. Just been watching, observing, looking how strong the dollar is losing strength here, given strength to the other markets, and the impulses out of here are pretty significant. Volume is finally showing into the market after we have been consolidating for so long. And then, to be honest, we are in consolidation still. Depends on how you want to phrase it, how you want to look at it, right? But the markets are moving very interestingly. Main thing for me, they're just moving with volume. They're moving with a bang. They're confirming their move. So when they come back for a retest, if they decide to come back for a retest, or when they come back to the next checkpoint, I'll be observing and watching. So it's good to see the dollar finally losing the strength, implementing. But now let's see how low does it actually go, because now we're right into some sweet spots. So it's going to be interesting. You're going to have to have a lot of patience, because a sell opportunity could arise here, or the strength could continue in the indice markets. Personally, I'm always watching S&P, still not seeing anything on the multi-time frame. It's patiently waiting. I was looking at how this buy was playing out, pretty much playing off this demand. Interesting, how it actually played, but nonetheless, it still did the move. So were you in the move or not? Like, that's tough. I can't lie, that is tough. This stuff isn't easy. You gotta be patient and due diligent. And just because I took some L's early and I haven't had any opportunities now, and according to my trading session, I still have plenty of time. It's only 9:45. We got 10:45, 11:45, 12:45, 3 more hours. But how intentional am I going to be with that time? Am I actively watching, actively paying attention, alert, so I don't miss opportunities? Or am I slacking? But what I am about to do is take a breather, walk away from the charts, so I can give myself an opportunity to just see what's about to rise. I don't want to miss anything. So appreciate you. And I'm gonna pause this again. See you in a sec. Okay. I did not come back when this session was continued. I didn't even take another trade. I'm just gonna wrap this video up. I don't even remember what I did in the video, but I'm gonna wrap this video up because it was paused in OBS. So I will just do a brief overview of what happened in the day, and then I'm gonna end this video quick because I'm about to do a market report. But here is today. Was not successful. Ended up losing 2.5%. Took 4 trades that came into around 16. And yeah, you see what it is, but it is what it is. And now I'm moving on. Peace.